Where's the, oh snap! Oh sh! Oh sh! Did I put it on wrong? What's up, Nasty Navy? It's your girl Salami Money back with another video, and y'all see what's going on right here. Y'all probably like, girl, what did you just bring us into? Like, don't ever do that again. But oh my god, I'm getting notifications. But it's time to install a new wig, y'all. And y'all see this one's a little different. It's like a two-tone, you know, black and blonde. So this wig is from Megalook hair. I put all the information to this wig down below. I always wanted to do like a two-tone color wig like this, you know, not all blonde but not black, you know. So I wanted to try this blonde right here, this color right here. It is a Brazilian straight wig. It's so cute. I love the texture of it. And it's real thick. Like, it's thick, but not too thick. How I like my wigs. I can't wait to, like, straighten it and all that. And get it on my head. But I got to do the wig cap method first. So, y'all going to watch me install this wig. I'm about to get my laptop so I can follow what Aaliyah J does. But y'all know, y'all remember when I said I'm gonna wash my hair in my last, I said in my last two installs that I was gonna wash my hair. But no, seriously, I have some bomb products on the way, so I'm gonna wash my hair when those products come in, like for real. So yeah, I'm not gonna wash my hair. We're just gonna get straight into the wig cap method. I only got a little bit of freaking got to be glue spray. So y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? It's not a little bit, but I need to go get some more real soon, like tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna do the wig cap method, and then we're gonna install this wig, and y'all gonna see how it turns out. You know, it already came with a middle part, so I'm just gonna keep the middle part because yeah, I don't know how side part would look with this anyway. But I'm really nervous. I forgot the inches, how many inches this is. I believe it's 22. No, ain't no way this 22 inches. This one got to be like 24 or something. I believe it's 24. The links to this wig will be down below. Let's get straight into this video. Like, I've been enjoying installing wigs. I tried to, I think it came with like, not knots bleach, but like, what is it called? I don't never bleach knots. Y'all think I should start bleaching the knots? Let me know before I go to the beauty supply store, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. Cause I don't really know. It don't really matter to me. You know what I'm saying? But I guess it'll make the wig look more natural, like natural. But let me know if I should start bleaching knots. But oh my goodness, what was I saying? Oh my gosh, I forgot. I like this little white top. So I'm about to bring the her wig install routine is coming up right now. But I want to show y'all this bomb box Megalook be having. Like, look at their packaging. Who y'all know packaging looks like this, baby? They're bomb. I love it. It comes with a bangle, real cute. Comes with a pouch with edge brush in it, wig caps, and this like headbands, all of that, and a hair clip. So they got some good packaging, and it's all pink, and I love pink, and it's just so cute. I love it. I don't want to hold y'all up all day, you know, in this video, because y'all know hair videos could get a little, you know, same routine every time, so I don't want to, like, you know, bore y'all out. But we're about to start this wig cap method right now. We're going to get this bad boy on. Comment down below what y'all think I should call this wig, and, yeah, let me know, give her a name, because I don't know. But she is giving me a honey blonde vibe, so that's what she was just doing in the video.
Nothing.
Okay, y'all, so I like how it looks on my head, so I'm about to add the tinted lace to it. This stuff is so strong, but it's a medium brown, by the way. But hopefully, I'm about to say, I know it ain't all out that fast. Come on. So strong. I believe that's good enough. I like how I look like this. I don't know why. I think I would look cute with like a shortcut. I don't even care what nobody say. Like, I think I could do it. I really do. I do got a big forehead though. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, Jones. Look at that. I'm tripping. Wow, just wasted lace. Tinted lace. About to throw that blow dry on it. Let it dry. I didn't get the middle. The middle. This one, I'm listening to gospel music, y'all, so it probably look like I'm talking to myself and stuff, but it's just the gospel. I pray the prayer to every service like I know. What she do next? I keep forgetting how to put this on because it's the first wig I ever had that I had to do this. Oh, let me go ahead and cut the back lace because I don't plan on taking this wig off again because it's a lot of work for me. Okay, let me close my door because my mom out there talking and my room door is open. Oh, snap. Oh, shh. Oh, shh. Did I put it on wrong? See, y'all, I told y'all I don't know how to do it. I just had it. Am I doing it wrong? What's going on here? There we go. I'm like, I like how it looks on me already, though. I love the color. I really do. Ooh, I can't wait to find a cute outfit to wear with this wig, boy. Look, it already looks. Ooh, bomb. Off these sideburns because, baby, they is down there. Make sure it's in the middle, all of that extra good stuff. Cut off these sideburns because, baby, they busting down there, I'm telling you. I hope I'm not messing the wig up. I don't believe I am, but there we go. My ear be needing room. We need to be comfortable back there. You know what I'm saying? We need to breathe. So this side is always harder than do the right side because I'm right-handed. Glued all the parts down. I actually cut some of the lace a little bit right here, as y'all can see, but I had to glue it back down. Like, I'm so mad this thing cut it. Like, this part, I was up here, but this part back there cut my lace and my wig. Like, I'm so mad right now. But I just glued everything down. I'm about to brush it back so I could put the scarf over it and stuff like that. Let it lay down and set the way it is. I just turned the flat iron on. I think I'm gonna straighten it. I don't know. Oh my goodness, all this hair everywhere in my face. But I think I'm gonna straighten it and stuff like that. I don't know if I want to straighten it or curl it, but this is what it looks like right now. And yeah, I'm gonna go find an outfit to wear with this, and then I'm gonna put on some lashes if I have any more. So yeah, we're gonna let that sit, blow dry it. I don't think I want to do any baby hairs because like I suck at baby hairs, like I really do. But I'm about to find an outfit. I'm about to put an outfit on, and then I'm gonna put on some lashes, stuff like that, and I could just oh, it's hot in here. I'm gonna try to clean up. I gotta sweep this stuff off the floor, get all this because I feel real dirty. I gotta put an outfit on. Gotta clean my bathroom. It looks a mess. Okay, y'all, so I put my lashes on. I'm about to do my hair now. I got on an outfit as well, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. I just gotta finish my hair first, and if I don't like it with this outfit, I'm gonna change it. Don't mind my closet. It don't look too bad, but yeah, I got my lashes on. They look so cute. These are lashes from Kayla's Cosmetics. The flat iron is like well overdue, done heating up, and this wig is done laying flat, getting flat. So I'm about to flat iron my hair right now. I wish I had my eyebrows done. I wish I knew how to do my own eyebrows. OMG, I would be flawless. Maybe I should do a video on attempting to do my own eyebrows. Yeah, on makeup. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do my own makeup. I think I did it before, but it was not cute. I didn't use the right product or foundation. I got that foundation from Family Dollar, so I got my right foundation this time. So if I do it, it's gonna be like, it's gonna be all right. So we're gonna do that. But let me finish my hair, and yeah, cause I can't forget that I gotta finish this wig. Alright, y'all, so I'm done my hair. I just gotta do the top, flatten this out, use that wax stick and stuff like that. I'm trying to figure out if I should put makeup down the part because you can't really see, like, it's not popping, you know what I'm saying? But how y'all think I did? It doesn't look bad. I love this color. I love it. I really do. This outfit that I got on is too big for me. This is the back. I need to lotion my back though. Ooh, it's so cute. Y'all see, new color. This new who? New wig. Who is this? Where that wax stick? Right here. I'm gonna fix these baby hairs over here. I think this side is straight or whatever side, you know. My mama loud. I gotta get this glue off my face over here. Take that glue, I said glue stick, that wax stick, and patting that thing out. She about to bring her Come on, girl.
She said I can come. All right, let's show Salon. Y'all, but this was my live, y'all. I'm good. How are you?
What,
I'm
you on
great.
live?
Yeah.
Live on what?
YouTube.
Oh, that's cool. I'm not in it.
Are you not in it?
I'm in it now.
Say hey to my beautiful
now
people.
They see my thing on here. I'm doing a video right now. Look.
Yeah, she's doing a video.
Here you go.
So I'm interrupted.
Hey, y'all.
We want to see. Hey, Salon. All right, your hair is pretty. She is, y'all. Look at her in action. This dirty bathroom. So she got hair all over the place, y'all. Don't try to leave, because I'm about to leave her alone. She's doing her video.
All right, y'all. So my mom is on live. Y'all probably seen that. But, what was I about to say? Oh, I just put some makeup down the part. Ooh, this hair looks bomb. Make sure I go check Megalook hair out. They did this wig. I love it. It's so cute. This is something very different for me. And I like it, period. So, I remember I did like a color like this, like my first blonde color. I wanted to do all blonde, but they didn't have that at the beauty supply store. I'm gonna try to find a picture or something. If I can't find it, I'm sorry. And, yeah. That was when I first had a wig, and it was from the beauty supply store, like... Hey! It was just like, yeah. But I might put my lip gloss on, do my lips. Y'all know your routine. For this is lifted up here. I'm gonna spray some Got To Be on it. Like, girl. She on live. My mama on live. Y'all know I like this color lips. Okay, so I'm not gonna put no more lip gloss on. I'm just keep it like this. But here's my little look right here, y'all. Real cute, fabulous. Period. Stop playing with me. Okay. Look. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay. I'm just trying to like this. This is the outfit. And this is the end of this video. So make sure I go check out Megalook hair. I'm done installing this wig. It's so super duper cute. This is what, yeah, the ending look, final look. Rate how I did down below. Let me know how I did. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social media accounts down below, and go check out Megalook hair. Put too much lip gloss on. Go check them out. And that is it for this video. Love y'all. We got this thing on game.